Hello everyone and welcome to the Gulf Sniper. This is Tarali with you, and I'm going to take you through the daily recap for the session of July 27, 2021. As you can see, the market was bad and challenging really on yesterday's session. However, we did great, as you will see. Let me take you first through the setting and the basis for the coming 2 days until we change our basis to 5,000. So until now, our starting equity is $10,000 with buying power of 6 to 1, which is $60,000, and share size per trade to be 3,000 shares, and commission per trade for my broker CMEG is 3.95. Now, the setting, our stop loss, as you are aware, is 3%. So whenever we go 3% from our entry level, we will immediately hit our stop loss, and our profit target is 7%. And we always trade with the hot keys or hot buttons now, which is we enter and we put our target and stop loss, so we don't get emotional and we don't get trapped into the trade. Now, let me take you through the calendar and the opportunities that we have received. We had 18 opportunities yesterday. 5 opportunities were winning out of the 18, with a rate of 27.8%. Not all opportunities are going to be entered, and not all opportunities are valid opportunities to trade. In our video here, we show which opportunities that we have entered and whether the opportunity that we entered was correct or not. So, looking first into the opportunities that we entered during the trading to evaluate and see whether our entries were correct and how profitable or losing our action was. And this is usually live with the subscribers. So whatever you see here is actually a result of actual trading that is witnessed by our subscribers. So first entry we took was IRCP, and that was at 9:30 as it appears here, or 9:31. On the daily, IRCP was doing great, but unfortunately when we entered and we started making profit, but unfortunately we were a little bit late, so we did not, or the stock itself did not make the movement. Our entry was correct. Okay, there is the resistance, the moving averages ahead of you, and the weighted volume average, and that's why we had such a declination before we go up again. So the entry was kind of early, and the result was a loss of 3%. However, if I elected to close the trade at 5% or maybe 6%, as a trader, we could have made that profit, especially because of the red market. So there was an opportunity of winning, but nevertheless, we have lost in this one. Next one is DYAI, and it was our star for yesterday. See how it was performing on the daily, and see what we have done. We had multiple entries. This one was winning in 4 minutes, and it made 7%. So that was the first successful entry for us. Then after that, at 9:40, also we entered here but the take profit was 5.08. So we entered and we made a profit at 5.18, maybe within 10 minutes only. Yes, we entered in this candle, we got it in this candle, we got our 7%. Then after some time at 9.54, or you can say 9.55. So after the second entry and the profit that we made, also we found another opportunity, and then we entered at 9.54. Around 9.54, where we made our profit here this time around, another 7%. So that was 21% only from DYAI. Okay. Following that, at 12:36, we entered in INTZ. Let's see the 12:36. Yeah, somewhere around here, 12:36. Yes, 12:36, we entered here, and we made our profit 7% here. So that was a very, very perfect trading day, although the market was really red. And you can see the results here in our table. Okay. So that was how we made our trading on the daily, and congrats to the subscribers. Moving to the top 5, as you can see here, the most profitable trade or stock was OLB due to the price of the stock, and that was in 3 minutes. That was achieved in 3 minutes. So you can see here where is the entry happening and how is the profit made in only 3 minutes. On the daily, OLB was doing great as well. Next one is NNVC. NNVC has been doing also great, although the market was down, and we got our share out of that actually in our trading, aside from these opportunities as well. So here in 2 minutes only we made the 7%. Next one we talked about it, INTZ, and DYAI also we talked about it. And last but not least is BVXV, and was doing great on the daily. And here you can see how we entered after consolidation, which we love, and after consolidation always is good results, as you can see. So that was one of the perfect entries and the most preferable entries that we always talk about. So that was a very excellent one. With this, I have concluded the update and the recap for the day, and I hope you enjoyed it. We did also great in NNVC, as we said, as you can see here also, and that was very fast in the trading. We made initially like 40%, then we completed our day, or we concluded our day with a profit of 67%, as we highlighted in our Twitter account. For the followers, we were talking about it and enjoying the achievement, as you can see here. And that was really good achievement in such a very challenging day. So I hope you enjoyed it, and wish you all the best, and see you on today's live trading.